Hello and welcome to Football Collectibles. In our previous video we received a package from Panini with new collection FIFA 365 sticker, anniversary edition, 10 years. We made box breaks, open 100 packs. If you don't see this video you can see it on our channel. And today I want to show you this album with added stickers, with stickers inside, to see how they looks like and to review this album, because to see stickers it's one thing, but to see how they look like in album it's another. So subscribe to our channel, press like button, and let's go to review. So title of this album, as I already said, pretty interesting, colorful and bright. As for me it's good. Here we can see description to a new category, my golden team. There are 5 squads with these players. You will see them later in this album. Here basic stickers with Panini logos, and here we see anniversary list. We can see that they provide 10 different albums for all years, and every shining sticker have a view of stickers, how they looked in that album. Pretty interesting idea, notify in memory how they looks like. So this is good from Panini, I like it. But next page is awful, really guys. As for me, Legends is the most interesting part of stickers, and they should be interesting. Yeah, they should be shining, bright, colorful. But look at these stickers, they are really simple. They are the same design as usual stickers, as you can see. I will show you right now. Yeah, this one and this one. So only one exception is that they have legend text on this sticker. So as for me it's awful, because this sticker should be shining as minimum. So really bad idea. Next is my team, new idea also. You have a field where you can put players on the field and some on substitutes. Pretty nice idea. 5 categories as also mentioned, so you can choose who will be your starters. And teams started, nothing special in this year, basic cards for all squads. And interesting idea, it's like puzzle with logo in the center and 2 players left and right. Interesting idea, but I don't like puzzles because it's really hard to add them side by side and they looks awful usually. So all others it's simply teams. You can see here 2 stickers, badge and players from the left, 2 players left and right without logo. So in teams it's only this interesting, all other is simple stickers with a similar design like in previous year. Here's second category for my golden team. So as for me, it's not bad. It's better than I think when I opening packs, because I have very bad impression. But after my son adding stickers to album, I slightly changed my mind, not very, but slightly, because of this, my golden team stickers. Oh, my son job, yeah, you see what I mean, puzzles. Need to be very careful with adding them. nothing special. That's why I prefer more Adrenaline XL cards. They have more interesting design. But what we have. So we'll be waiting now for top class football collection in the beginning of the next year. We'll see what they will provide for us. Oh, you can see it's completed puzzle from Barca. And here we have FIFA Club World Cup lists with teams that we played there. Here's the squad. Golden tribute. And that's all. So provide in comments your impression from this collection. It's interesting to know what you think about it. Maybe you like it, maybe you not. What you like, what you not. And subscribe to channel, like it, this video, and see you soon. Bye.